Are you ready to discover some wild and wacky truths about our world? Our planet is filled with incredible, mind-blowing facts that can leave you astonished. From the quirks of human behavior to the surprising habits of animals, there's always something new to learn. So, buckle up and get ready for a journey through some of the most fascinating tidbits of knowledge that you won't believe are true. Humans can't walk in a straight line without looking at something. It sounds bizarre, but it's true. Our sense of balance and direction relies heavily on visual cues. Without them, we tend to veer off course. This phenomenon has been tested in various experiments where blindfolded participants were asked to walk in a straight line, only to end up walking in circles or zigzags. It's a fascinating insight into how our brains process spatial information. Yup, we're all a little wobbly. It's not just humans who have quirky behaviors. Animals, too, have their own set of surprising traits that can leave us in stitches. Get this, rats will laugh out loud if you tickle them. It's true. Researchers have discovered that rats emit high-pitched giggles when tickled, a sound that's inaudible to the human ear without special equipment. This discovery has opened up new avenues in understanding animal emotions and behaviors. Who knew they had such a sense of humor? It's amazing to think that these small creatures experience joy and laughter, much like we do. This connection between humans and animals is a reminder of the shared emotions that bind all living beings. Boeing used potatoes to test their in-flight Wi-Fi. Talk about spud-tacular science. This might sound like a joke, but it's a real scientific method. Potatoes have similar water content and chemical makeup to the human body, making them perfect stand-ins for passengers during Wi-Fi testing. By placing sacks of potatoes in airplane seats, engineers were able to simulate the way signals would travel through a crowded cabin, ensuring a strong and reliable connection for actual passengers. Your brain hides your nose. Ever wondered why you don't constantly see your nose in your field of vision? It's because your brain actively filters it out. This process, known as selective attention, allows us to focus on more important visual information. It's a clever trick that helps us navigate the world without being distracted by our own anatomy. Thanks, brain, for keeping us focused. Our brains are incredibly adept at managing the vast amount of sensory information we receive every second. This ability to prioritize and filter is what allows us to concentrate on tasks and stay attentive to our surroundings. A jiffy is an actual unit of time. In the world of physics, a jiffy is defined as the time it takes for light to travel 1 centimeter in a vacuum. That's approximately 33.3564 picoseconds. While we often use the term jiffy colloquially to mean a short, unspecified amount of time, it's fascinating to know that it has a precise scientific definition. Blink, and you might miss it. Time is a concept that continues to intrigue and baffle us. From the fleeting moments that pass in the blink of an eye to the vast stretches of cosmic time, our perception of time is both personal and universal. In your lifetime, while you're sleeping, you could eat around 70 different insects and 10 spiders or more. Sweet dreams. This unsettling fact is based on the idea that small insects and spiders might crawl into our mouths while we sleep. While the exact numbers are debated, it's a reminder of the unseen interactions we have with the natural world, even in our most vulnerable moments. Your tongue is covered with roughly 8,000 taste buds. These tiny sensory organs are responsible for detecting the 5 basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Each taste bud contains 50 to 100 taste receptor cells, which send signals to the brain to interpret flavors. This complex system allows us to enjoy a wide variety of foods and flavors. No wonder we love food so much. Our sense of taste is deeply connected to our emotions and memories. The flavors we experience can evoke powerful feelings and transport us to different times and places. It's no wonder that food plays such a central role in our lives and cultures. And did you know? Prince William and Prince Harry have a half-sister called Laura, who largely stays out of the public eye. Royal secrets, anyone? Laura Lopes, the daughter of Camilla Parker Bowles, has chosen to lead a relatively private life, away from the constant scrutiny that comes with being part of the royal family. Her story is a reminder that even those connected to the most public of lives can find ways to maintain their privacy. Last but not least, onions are a natural remedy for clearing a blocked nose. The pungent aroma of onions can help to open up nasal passages and provide relief from congestion. This home remedy has been used for generations and is a testament to the healing properties found in everyday foods. Tears of joy or just onions? While chopping onions often brings tears to our eyes, it's interesting to note that these tears are a result of a chemical reaction. When an onion is cut, it releases sulfur compounds that react with the moisture in our eyes, creating a mild irritant. This natural defense mechanism of the onion is what causes us to tear up. Stay curious and keep exploring these fascinating facts. The world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. By staying curious and open to learning, we can continue to uncover the hidden truths that make our world so extraordinary. See you next time.